Hey guys, Nathan Stickney here at Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas, and I'm going to review a product called Mycomist. What Mycomist is it is a spray that you will spray in your shoes. It is an antimicrobial. It helps to fight things like athlete's foot, toenail fungus, or odor in the foot or the ankle. It's very simple. You can see it's just a spray bottle here. What you'll do is you take the top off, you give it a good spray in the shoes. You will then want to take those shoes and zip them in a plastic bag or some sort of container that will contain them. Leave that for about 24 hours. Once you're done with that, you can take the shoes out of the bag and wear them as much as you want as needed. It's recommended that you usually want to try to do the spray in those shoes a couple times a week. And this again is an antimicrobial which will help fight any of the microbes that may be causing athlete's foot, toenail fungus, or any kind of odor in the foot.